idea on what the Supreme Court or what's your prediction like?
You're not coming sure with Supreme Court.
What's the prediction?
I think that the Supreme Court will have to rule that Richard Koon is not the lawful Speaker of the House of Representatives. If the Supreme Court were to rule strictly on the Constitution, on the rules of the legislature, the way that Koon came into power was not in compliance or in accordance with any of our statutory, constitutional, or regulatory policies and laws.
So you think you'll be going to Koffa's way?
I think so. I suspect so. And strictly from the rule of law, the black letter law, as we call it, it would have to be in Koffa's direction.
Okay, so
it was between. It really was between two parties. It was UP and CDC. My understanding, and where I still hear today, is that many people felt disenfranchised, felt dissatisfied with what happened with the CDC government. So people said they wanted to change the government, no matter what. And many felt that Cummings could not do it. That UP, through President Borka, would be the only one to do it. The election was a UP CDC election. And there were so many other great candidates who were there. Mr. Cummings, Clarence Manuba. There were some very, very dynamic, very interesting, good candidates. It was those two. This is what the people wanted at that time. But as I sit here today, I still say it was one of the greatest experiences I've had. I am not naive to think, when we started this thing here, to think we were going to jump over CDC, jump over UP, then pass the incumbent government CDC to win the election. We knew it was going to be a difficult election. But it was it was something that I think was necessary for me, for Liberia. Liberia got what it wanted.